Okay, hi everybody. So I'm gonna be going here. This is what I've made before. It's really cute. That is what I'm gonna be showing at the first of every video. So move on. Don't mind that. I was trying to show it to my parents. It's regular day shopping. Who's that? You'll see her later in the video. Okay. Okay, let's do this. There you go. That's better. Karen over here. Even her name is Karen. Yeah, that happened. So let's just try to make it better. No, we were right now. Here. Karen's running over here and it's like, watch this. So I'm gonna have to change scenes. See, because there's no eyebrows. No, those eyebrows. You know what I could have done that I'm thinking of right now? I could have just literally though, like, went into the freaking flat eyebrows and just like fixed it. Oh, so yeah. I meant to say manager. Oh, sorry. See? The manager's here. The girl from earlier. Did you not see that? Oh, and look at her face. She's just like, why would I do that? And like, just keep watching. I went back to Cut to Life and I found those eyebrows. This is just the cutest face ever, though. And like what she's saying. Oh, the cuteness. The cutest thing ever. Cutest thing ever. Cutest. Just amazing. Just amazing. Okay, that's what it is. So, yeah.